Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drawing tablets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wacom Cintiq 16 drawing tablet. The Wacom Cintiq 16 is the best drawing tablet for most people, from beginners to seasoned pros. The 15.6-inch glass display has a large 13.6 by 8.6-inch active area, making it big enough for expressive, lag-free drawing. It has an anti-glare coating that cuts down on potentially distracting reflections and adds a level of friction to help simulate the feeling of drawing on paper. Its express keys are out of the way on the tablet's rear edge, so they don't take up valuable screen space. The relatively compact tablet conveniently connects to your computer using an HDMI cable, which produces better video quality than a USB cable, and has foldable legs that can provide up to a 19-degree incline. Moving on, at number 4, we have the XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. If you want a lot of drawing room, the 23.8-inch XP Pen Artist 24 Pro provides a ton of space to create your work. The 2K QHD display realizes your designs in vivid color, allowing you to notice even the smallest details. It's built for comfort. The tablet's stand is adjustable and can tilt up to 60 degrees, making it easy for you to find your sweet spot. It also accommodates both right and left-handed artists, with dials and shortcut keys on both sides of the tablet for ambidextrous access. Either way, all 20 shortcut keys are customizable to set the tablet to meet your needs. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro comes with a battery-free stylus, which features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt, giving you the most sensitive digital drawing experience. At number 3, we have the Wacom Intuos Pro Large Digital Graphic Drawing Tablet. Wacom is popular among creative professionals, and for good reason. The company has over 35 years of experience in digital pen technology, and its products are used by everyone from fashion designers to animators and filmmakers. The Wacom Intuos Pro is a surprisingly slim and lightweight tablet at 16.8 by 11.2 inches and weighs only 2.86 pounds. However, the black anodized aluminum and fiberglass composite resin make it a sturdy choice. The battery-free Wacom Pro Pen 2 is extremely pressure-sensitive and tilts 60 degrees. There's also a pen stand included to keep the stylus safe and out of the way when not in use. At number 2, we have the Remarkable 2. If you're specifically looking for a black and white, paper-style experience, the Remarkable 2 is the way to go. The ultra-thin tablet features a unique 10.3-inch canvas display that simulates the look and feel of reading and writing on paper. Though it feels like a whole other world, it integrates into your digital life surprisingly well, converting articles from the web to a more focused, book-like form, converting handwritten notes into text, and sharing your tablet screen via desktop or laptop. For artists, built-in templates and layers make it easy to start drawing, and there are brushes and tools to fit any type of project. Remarkable's proprietary stylus, the marker, features a high-friction pen tip and doesn't need to be charged. And finally, at number 1, we have the Boogie Board Play and Trace. The Boogie Board Play and Trace LCD writing tablet is a great way to introduce your kids to drawing and writing. The battery-powered 13.5x9 tablet features a large, semi-transparent screen that lets your child trace their favorite image or draw freehand. The Play and Trace also comes with templates to teach the basics of writing and drawing. It comes with a stylus, but kids can use pencils, markers, and even fingernails can be used on the surface without damaging the tablet. And, at 13.6 ounces, it's light enough that even young kids can carry it around and use it on their own. That's important because who knows where that stylus will wind up once your kid gets a hold of it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.